Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're tired of leak, lost lids, and bulky containers, this set is about to change your life. This is the Lille Home leak-proof stainless steel lunch and snack container set, a trio of durable stainless steel bowls with three different sizes, perfect for daycare, school, or everyday meals. Let's talk about the best part. They are truly leak proof. The silicone lid snaps on tight and stays put. You can shake them, toss them in the lunch bag, or pack juicy fruits, yogurts, or saucy foods with zero mess. The size variety is extremely practical. The large bowl is perfect for full meals. The medium one is perfect for salad, fruits, or kids' lunches. And the small one is ideal for snacks, dips, or little portions. You always have the perfect size ready. And when you're done, all the three containers nest neatly inside each other. That means way less clutter in your cabinet and backpack. Super lightweight, super compact, just very practical. These are stainless steel, which means no odors, no stains, and they are easy to clean. Durable for everyday use, but still cute enough for lunches. So if you're looking for leak proof, space saving stainless steel, the Lil Home set keeps lunch clean, organized, and stress free every single day. And that's my point of view.